Hello friend, in this video I will show you how to set a short user account password on Linux Mint. If you commonly set a short password for your local user account on Linux Mint, you cannot do this as you can see. To set a short user account password on Linux Mint, you can follow these steps. Open the terminal by pressing CTRL-Alt-T. Type the following command. After that, type the user account name of the account you want to set short password. Type the password of your current user account. Enter a new password and press enter. Type the password again and press enter. The user account password will be updated with the new short password. Let's check. Yes, it's successfully done. If you have any questions about this, you can feel free to comment down below and I will try to answer. Thank you for watching and don't forget to subscribe to our channel. See you at next one. Goodbye.